If you're not the best at exercising, follow this 5-minute routine. It's very simple, it's very gentle, and it absolutely counts. Guess what? I have already started. We're gonna start off with our neck. The goal here is to improve mobility, to promote circulation, and to just help you become a stronger, healthier version of yourself, all in a gentle way without any pressure. So we're doing neck turns to loosen up that area. We hold a lot of stress in our neck, in our traps. So we're gonna start off nice and easily from a seated position, just turning our neck from left to right, and of course follow your natural range of motion. You don't have to turn completely to the side, do what you can, okay? Up next, we're gonna do some shoulder rolls. So you can simply keep your arms to the side, raise your shoulders up, drop them down, and go in a nice and fluid, smooth motion. You might feel some cricking and cracking. So long as you're not feeling any sharp pain, that's very common. The goal here is to smoothen and lubricate that area. So we're gonna do some nice shoulder rolls. If you want to progress, you can do some arm circles, right? And we're going in the reverse direction because we want to counter our forward shoulders, our rounded back. So very important that we practice going in the reverse. This also opens up our chest, giving us more room to breathe and allowing that oxygen-rich filled blood to flow throughout our entire body. Okay, next we're gonna give ourselves some nice hugs, dynamic hugs that is. So we're gonna swing our arms in front of us, wrapping it around our body and bringing it back again, opening up that chest, allowing that oxygen to enter, but promoting circulation in our upper body, which is so very important. When we have better circulation, we have more energy, and our body just functions the way it's supposed to, nice and smooth and fluid. So we're doing our upper body first. Again, I mentioned we hold a lot of tension, especially if we don't exercise a lot. Things feel tough when we try to move intentionally. So this is a great way to start if you're a total beginner, or if you live a mostly sedentary life. I would start with these exercises, okay? Very good. Now we're gonna work on our lower body. I like to start off with my hips. So a very simple move, you can do this sitting, you can do this standing, just very gentle, slow and controlled hip circles. You know this one, we do this in almost every full length workout that you've participated in, just because our hips is the center of our body, the foundation. It's very important we keep it nice and mobile. So gentle hip circles is a great starting point, okay? So we're doing 30 seconds in one direction. We're gonna turn around and do it in the opposite direction, okay? And again, following your natural range of motion. We're not forcing anything. We're listening to our body and just going with the flow. Great job. All right. Up next, you guessed it, we're gonna work on our knees. Again, doing something very gentle. So we're gonna sit back, place our hands under our thighs, and then we're going to extend our knees, our legs, toes pointing upward, okay? Keep it nice and gentle, again, following your natural range of motion. What this does is it lubricates our knee joint, so it promotes that synovial fluid around our knees to allow us to move a lot more smoothly. And it also activates our thigh muscles, these muscles right here. And when they are activated, when they are awake, because they do go in a dormant state if we do not train them, if we sit down a lot. Well, when they're nice and active, and we do call on them when we walk or climb upstairs or just standing, they will protect and support that knee joint, okay? And finally, we're gonna do something super simple, sitting nice and tall, we're going to lift our toes off the floor and lift our heels. Just like that, we are promoting circulation in our lower body. So if we tend to have swollen feet, swollen ankles, this is going to help that circulation pump back towards your heart, because it will tend to pool at your lower body extremities if we are sitting all the time or even standing. So this is a good way to do it. An alternative would be to, at the end of the day, lie down on your bed, place a stack of pillows, and then place your feet on that stack of pillows and allow that fluid to flow back towards your heart. But if you're sitting down on the couch, your chair, this is a great thing to do. And not to mention, this also activates your calf muscles, giving your knees a lot more support. So that's it, you totally got this.